Hey y'all, are you ready? Let's upcycle a curtain into a shrug. Come on. This is an unbleached muslin cotton panel, curtain panel. And this measures 70 inches long by 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 70 by 44. And I had a couple of these and was going to tie-dye them as curtains, and then I got an idea. You can tell, here's where it's hemmed. This is where the curtain rod goes. So on either end, so that your curtain rod can go through there. So it's a pre-cut panel. You've got a salvage on this side, and you got a salvage on this side, so it's not gonna ruffle. It doesn't have to be hemmed. Okay, amazing. Now, for this project, sewing machine, needle and thread, or maybe some fabric glue would work. But I don't know. I'm going to be using my sewing machine for this. So let's pin, and you'll need some straight pins. So let's pin the shrug. When you guys see how easy this is, you're just gonna fall out. So take your panel and fold it from top to bottom. Okay, and this is your hemmed side. Okay, your salvage side is the bottom, and then the same on the other side. It's folded from top to bottom on the hem side, like this. Okay. Ooh, I want to put my seams on the inside, so fold it top to bottom, seams on the inside. You're doing it with me as I go. Okay, now that we're folded, you're going to make a seam in the bottom 2/3 of your fold. So here's your bottom, and here's the top of your fold. The top of your fold is going to be the top of your sleeve. So you're going to start about 2/3 of the way, or 1/3 of the way down, put a pin, and then just run a seam. And you're going to do that on both sides. So it's 22 inches. So 7, 14. So at about the 7-inch mark down, I'm going to mark it with a pin. And that's where my seam is going to start. I'm not going to pin the bottom because I'm just going to hold it together as I go. But I'm going to do a 7-inch mark on the other side, where I have folded it. And that's 1/3-ish of the way down. Just so I know where to start my seam. And now, let's go to the sewing machine. I straightened up my seam so it's flush Okay, and then I'm gonna do about half-inch seam, and I'm just where's my foot thing? There we go. We're gonna sew down. We're gonna sew forward just a little bit and backwards to lock it in, and just make a straight seam all the way down this side. And when I get to the bottom, we're gonna forward and backward and lock it into place. Clip off my threads, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. About a half-inch seam or so. Get my pen. I'm gonna go forward, go backward to lock it in, and make a nice straight seam all the way down. You know what? I said muslin. This might be linen. And at the end, always forward and backward. How quick was that? Look how cute we are in our shrug. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with content. Basically tie-dye, crocheting, jewelry making, the spirituality. I just got a new camper. Just think of it as kind of like a creative day in the life of Tish. That's what my channel's turning into, and I'm kind of having fun just doing stuff every few days and then sharing it with you. And remember, be peaceful. Be kind. It's important. Try something new today. You don't know. You might like it. Hey, I'll talk to you soon.